Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing XPR Network. Bridge the world. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe. And for that, you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $129 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of XPR and Metal at the time of the recording, and let's see what they have been up to lately. So, guys, this is XPR Network. Finally, guys, finally, it is up 13.10% for the day, and more than the price, guys. What I'm really happy and glad about is the volume increase, guys. Volume has increased 657.66%, guys. Check this out. Volume was 100,000 almost, 530,000, and all of a sudden, guys, as the price picked up, it is down 13%. But check out the volume, guys. The volume picked up massively. It is almost $4.2 million at the moment. I really like the volume, guys. Although in the last 7 days, we can see that XPR had already made its way up, but it was basically doing the sideways price action for a while. So check this out, guys. The volume. This volume is really tempting. 9.48 million over here. The volume has increased a lot, guys. So I do not know what the factors behind this are specifically, but it seems promising because it has gone up and tested this 7 day resistance level as well, guys. In the last month, guys, it is down 16.32%, though. The entire market has been bloody, it has been red, but we have basically broken this resistance over here. And I think that soon we are going to be killing that zero again in the because, guys, overall we can see that we are in crucial support levels over here, and the price is reacting really well, and it is on its way up. Let's see, let's hope that the momentum is the momentum sustains, because overall, guys, XPR network is extremely undervalued. If you have conviction in this project, I think these are the times to be getting in it. Only $24.3 million of market cap. Same goes for metal as well. Metal even more undervalued, guys. According to CMC, it has only $6.98 million market cap. The volume has increased as well, although it doesn't have that much volume, only 22,000 at the moment approximately. But still, guys, it has huge potential, because check this out. According to Mr. Wisdom in Crypto. Okay, so Wisdom in Crypto, metal is an incredible project with more bank partnerships than any blockchain in crypto. Yeah, you read that right. Check their website. So yeah, it certainly is building a great infrastructure over here, guys. The entire Metallicus ecosystem is growing, and let's see what they have been up to lately, guys. Let's see what Marshall has to say, what is happening in with the official X handle of XPR. So, guys, this is the pinned post. It's time to bridge the world to blockchain. If you haven't seen this already, this is the pinned post. 4,500 transactions per second on chain staking, usernames, instant transactions, no gas, no gas fees. This is awesome. So basically, this is becoming that bridge the world to blockchain. So what else do we have? What's new? Metallicus, touch grass. There is a strong week ahead. TDBN. So they already said there is a strong week ahead. So who knows what they are up to? Any announcement that the people know about? So this is Marshall Hayner. MetalPay Connect is the new white label RAM for all your superchain needs. Support fiat payments with credit and debit cards, real-time payment systems, and the digital banking network. Marshall and Metallicus guys, they're creating this entire ecosystem. They are interconnected and they are self-sufficient. They aren't relying on any other project. So this is great, guys. Let us look at the X handle of Marshall as well. He constantly posts new posts and reposts stuff related to Metal and XPR. Let's see what he has to say. MetalPay crypto news. Last Friday, we told you about the German government selling thousands of Bitcoin on the market. Okay, so this is the crypto news in general. Keep building. Awesome. Imagining a world where banks support digital assets and you don't need a 16-digit card number to on or off ramp. Earn XPR tokens by reporting scam, malware, or phishing domains. Guys, this is a really innovative approach. We've seen time and again that scams and phishing websites have emerged, and if you report it, you can earn XPR tokens, guys. So this is great. This is official because Marshall has reposted this. Okay, what else do we have? Bitcoin, a comprehensive guide for MetalPay users. So if the MetalPay users do not know, then they are beginners, they do not know about Bitcoin and what is it all about. This is a comprehensive guide about that. You can check it out. MetalPay live in Australia, mate. So this is great. They are basically going across the group, trying to function all across the globe, guys. So why have they chosen Australia? Look at this. So today marks a significant milestone for us at Metallicus as we proudly announce the launch of MetalPay across all Australian territories, making it easier than ever for Australians to access and invest in digital assets. This is why we're saying, guys, that Metallicus is trying to bridge the world. Basically, Australia is an entirely different continent and a region, and basically Metallicus ecosystem wants to rule the world, basically, in a nutshell. Why Australia? Our decision to expand into the Australian market was driven by several compelling factors. Australia is not only a tech-savvy nation, but also a global leader in crypto adoption. Guys, I've told you time and again that in comparison to USA, which should be the leader, guys, because USA, as you know, it has been the land of opportunity in the 90s, in the 2000s. It has welcomed innovation time and again. When it comes to digital assets and crypto adoption, a lot of other countries have basically gone much further than USA in terms of regulations, the regulatory framework. We are not saying that you should not be concerned about regulations, but guys, the USA should basically be in haste in terms of innovation, because these other states such as UAE and Middle East, Africa, even Australia, they're going much further, guys. So check this out. With a vibrant and enthusiastic global tech ecosystem, the country's progressive regulatory framework aligns perfectly with our commitment to compliance and operational chapter. So why MetalPay, guys? Why would any state want to use MetalPay? MetalPay isn't just another crypto app. Since 2016, we've been at the forefront of the digital asset revolution. We know digital assets, we know Bitcoin, and we know compliance. Here's why Australians will love using MetalPay. So why should Australians or any of the states globally use MetalPay? So guys, number one, buy in minutes, guys. Purchase cryptocurrencies quickly and easily with your debit or credit card. Everyone wants ease, guys. In this day and age, time equals money, guys. Nobody has time these days. And the banking system is so outdated. We've talked about it time and again. to send. We have all experienced, guys, this banking system. If you send money from one state to another, one country to another, how much of a hassle is that, guys? We're talking about days, and it should be solved in mere seconds, guys. Regardless of the amount, size, we should basically solve it quickly. So MetalPay is basically doing that. MetalPay offers a smooth, user-friendly experience that gets you from cash to crypto in just a few taps. Automate your investments with our automatic buys feature. You can dollar cost average into your favorite cryptocurrencies over time. Invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and more, starting from just $15. So this is for this app will be for anyone who's not well acquainted with Web3, Uniswap, and all of these DeFi mechanisms. They can buy these coins easily if they're not well acquainted with centralized exchange as well and want to use an app. Best prices, competitive fees. Unlike other on ramps that charge a spread, MetalPay prides itself on getting you the best possible price at the time of your purchase. So this is awesome. So which assets and currencies are available on MetalPay, guys? So they offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies, MTL, Metal Blockchain, Metal Dollar. Basically, these are first and foremost the part of the Metallicus ecosystem, guys. Basically, Metal Dollar, XPR Network, Loan, and now we're talking about the grandfather of them all, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, more mainstream ones, more popular ones, Ethereum, Hedera, Litecoin, Stellar, XLM. We cover it time and again. We cover HBAR as well. Huge potential. USD coin. So yeah, our platform is designed to provide you with the best choices and the most secure transactions. So this is awesome. It is easy. Download the MetalPay app, create an account, verify your identity. Decentralized identity is something that Metallicus is also stressing upon, guys. So yeah, basically bridging the gap between the traditional world and the DeFi world, the crypto world, by abiding by the laws, the legality as well, and also providing the spirit and the ethos of this financial space, which is known as crypto, guys. So what do you guys think about XPR Network, guys? Check this out. This is what I'm talking about. Dive into DeFi as well, lending and borrowing, trading, yield farming, liquidity pools. Let me like this, guys. A really interesting post we have over here. Let me should I retweet it as well? So yeah, on the contrary, it's okay. So, guys, what do you guys think about XPR network and this entire Metallicus ecosystem? Do you think that it is indeed bridging the world? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.